Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take I.C.T class for the students of class 6 on the topic of multiple choice question part 1. I am repeating, today our topic is multiple choice question part 1. Students, this is our 11th lecture and 10th homework. I'm repeating, this is our 11th lecture and 10th homework. Students, take your notebook and writing elements. We'll discuss about multiple choice question, that means M.C.Q. So let's begin. M.C.Q, our first question is, which things should be used to clean CRT monitor first time? Options are wet cotton cloth, soft cotton cloth, thick cotton cloth, glass cleaner. Can you guess what will be the answer? The answer will be option B, soft cotton cloth. Number 2, what is the voltage of electricity of our country? Options are 200, 220, 240 and 260. And the correct answer will be option B, 220. Now come to question number 3. Which machine can be used by everybody? Options are computer, microscope, X-ray machine, helicopter. So our answer will be option A, computer. Number 4, what is computer virus? Options are one kind of operating system, one kind of network, one kind of computer program, one kind of hardware. So here our answer is option C, one kind of computer program. Now come to question number 5. What can we use with water as an alternative glass cleaner for cleaning a CRT monitor? I'm repeating the question, what can we use with water as an alternative glass cleaner for cleaning a CRT monitor? Options are salt, sugar, vinegar, spirit. And here our answer will be option C, vinegar. Now come to question number 6. Which signal is sent from the brain through the neck? Okay. Here our options are repulsion signal, electric signal, attraction signal, magnetic signal. Okay, our answer will be number D, magnetic signal. Okay, number 7, a computer has option A, 2 pairs, option B, 4 pairs, option 3 pairs, option D, 6 pairs. Answer will be 2 pairs. A computer has 2 pairs. So we have to tick in option A. Number 8, which one is the proper use of electricity? Connecting from right socket to wrong plug, connecting from right socket to right plug, connecting from wrong socket to right plug, and last, connecting from wrong socket to wrong plug. And answer will be option B, connecting from right socket to right plug. Number 9, what type of monitor screen cannot be cleaned by glass cleaner? Options are LCD, LED, CRT, normal. So our answer will be option A, LCD. Option A, LCD. Number 10, what type of problem may occur to a virus affected computer? Our options are wordless talking, it may pain, will not work properly, fever may attack. So here you can guess, it's very easy because it will be option C, will not work properly. What type of problem may occur to a virus affected computer? Will not work properly. Now, come to question number 11. First, you have to read the stimulus below and answer the question number 11 and 12. Mariam downloaded some books and movies from the internet. Later, he saw her computer was attacked by virus and it was not working properly. Now, you have to give answer of question number 11 and 12. And 11 is, through which medium Mariam's computer was attacked by virus? Options are software, pen drive, CD, computer network. So, our answer will be option D, computer network. Number 12, Mariam's computer would not be attacked by virus if a program was available in it. What is the name of the program? Options are antivirus, movie playing package software, painting package software, music player package software. So here our answer will be option A, antivirus. Now come to question number 13, which one seems as a threat for the children's mental development? Options are television, computer games, computer, mobile. Here, can you guess what will be the answer? Yes, it will be definitely mobile, because mobile is a threat for the children's mental development. Number 14, the sources of virus are CD, pen drive, hard disks. Which one of the following is correct? Option A, 1 and 2, option B, 1 and 3, option C, 1 and 3, and option D, 1, 2 and 3. So, can you guess what will be the correct answer? The correct answer will be option D, 1, 2 and 3. It means CD, pen drive, hard disks. These are the sources of virus. Now come to question number 15. Various physical problems may be created if someone sits before the computer for a long time, such as back pain, waist pain, fingers pain, problems in eye. Which one of the following is correct? Option A, 1 and 2, option B, 1 and 3, option C, 2 and 3, and option D, 1, 2 and 3. So here our answer is option D, 1, 2 and 3. Now, question 16. What is the temperature tolerance capability of computer? Options are less than human being, same as human being, quite more than human being, little more than human being. So here our answer will be option C, quite more than human being. 17. Which of the following is used for saving the writing of word processor? Options are folder, program, software, file. So which one you think that will be correct answer? Okay, it will be option D. That means file. Now come to question number 18. Which one is an open software? Options are Open Office Writer, Page, Notepad, Applix Word. So here our answer is option A, Open Office Writer. Come to question number 19. Which application software is made for writing? Internet, word processor, Winamp, Power, DVD. Can you guess? Yes, the answer will be option B, word processor. Number 20, for typing capital letters, we use Shift key, caps lock, Alt. Which one of the following is correct? Option A, 1 and 2, option B, 1 and 3, option C, 2 and 3, and option D, 1, 2 and 3. And our answer will be option A, 1 and 2. That means Shift key and caps lock. Now we'll discuss about question 21. Where has to click for opening a new file? Our options are new, file, save, text. Can you guess? Students, the correct answer will be option A, new. Now, come to number 22. How can we publish a school magazine? By writing in hands, by recording, by typing in word processor, by typing in typewriter. Okay, can you guess? I think you guessed the correct answer. The answer will be option C by typing in word processor. Now number 23, where we save the file in computer. Options are hard disk, ROM, RAM, flash memory. Okay, I hope you can guess. It will be option A, hard disk. So in hard disk, we can save the file in computer. Number 24, which software is used for writing in the computer? Graphics software, utility software, word processing software, spreadsheet software. The answer is option C, word processing software. Number 25, what do you click to open an old file using Office button? Options are text, save, new, file. And the answer will be option D, file. Now come to question number 26. What is the another difference between writing and word processor except the editing work? Okay, here is our options: mobility, preservation, accuracy, edition. And the answer will be option B. So preservation is the correct answer. Now come to question number 27. Which button of the box shown by the word processor that have to be clicked for saving the file? Options are edit, exit, save, close. Okay, the answer will be option C, save. Number 28, which button is to click for deleting the writings after the cursor? Options are delete, backspace, spacebar, enter. So our answer will be option D, enter. Number 29, which option of the file menu should be clicked to save an existing file with a new name? Our options are open, new, exit, save as. So we have to click, give tick mark in option D, save as. Now number 30. Read the stimulus below and answer to the question number 30 and 31. Fatema will write a story for her school magazine. She has a computer, but it does not have MS Word software. She has the internet connection in her computer and also has a pen drive. Now you have to give answer of question 30. Fatema has written the story in computer by herself, but she does not have printer at home. Now what will she do to take a quick print out? She'll plan to buy a new printer. She'll take a print from nearby computer shop. After copying it in her pen drive, she will mail it to a friend and the friend will send it through courier. Option D, she will go to buy a CD for copying. So what will be the correct answer? It must be the option B. She will take a print from nearby computer shop after copying it in her pen drive. Now come to question number 31. There is no MS Word software in Fatema's computer. What can she do in this case? Okay, our options are: she may download Avro keyboard. She may download Microsoft Word. She may write the story in an ordinary paper with pen. Option D, she may not write the story. So here the correct answer will be option B. She may download Microsoft Word. Now come to question number 32. Which direction is correct for opening a saved file? File menu, start, save file, open. File menu, open, save file, open. File menu, open, new file, start. File menu, save file, open. So here the correct answer will be option B. First file menu, then open, then save file, and after that open. Come to question number 33. In which case of the following can we correct wrong spelling easily? Normal writing in hands, writing in typewriter, writing in word processor, writing in screen. So our answer is option C, writing in word processor. Now come to question 34, and this is last question for MCQ part 1. What is the function of enter to cancel menu or the dialog box? To delete the letter in the left side of cursor, to put the cursor in the bottom line, to delete select part. Okay, the correct answer will be option C, to put the cursor in the bottom line. Students, I hope you have understood all this MCQ, that means all these answers are clear to you. Now I am providing your homework. Your homework will be MCQ 1 to 10. MCQ 1 to 10, I am adding something more, only answer. Only answer. No need to pick the options, you will just give number and write the answer. So your homework will be MCQ 1 to 10. And don't forget to write the lecture number and homework number with the submission date. Our lecture number is 11 and homework number is 10. And the submission date will be the date of Sunday, because on every Sunday you have to submit your SW copies. Students, do your homework in your SW copy. Guardians or anyone else can submit your SW copies on every Sunday and can collect your previous copies on next Sunday. You need to be serious, because you will get your CT, diary and SP marks on the basis of the submission of your SW copies. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.